Take a look at how we would answer this question. How can the reader identify this selection as an autobiography? The answer choice to this question is B. It was written by the author about his own life. We know it was written by the author about his own life because the author was writing using I. I wanted to help people in my community. I saw a person. I overheard. It was written using first person I. So we know the author wrote it about their own life. Let's move on to question 2. The author first got the idea for Paul's Packs. Now that we've done step 1 and read the question, what are some keywords you think we should be circling in this question? Some keywords I think we should circle are the words first, idea, Paul's, and Pax. I circled the word first because we heard the words Paul Pax a few times in the passage, but we're looking for the very first time he got the idea. I'm also circling the word idea because we need to find when Paul Pax first started. And I'm circling Paul's and Pax because we are trying to find out information on Paul's Pax. Now that we've found our keywords, we know we can move on to step 3 and try to find our keywords in our passage. Take a look at our passage. In paragraph 4, Paul says, I came up with an idea for a backpack program that I called Paul's Packs. We also have the words Paul's Packs right here. Now, paragraph 4 tells us that he came up with an idea, but we need to know how he first got the idea. So this just tells us he got an idea, but now we need to look around our keywords to see if we can find information on how it started. Let's read before paragraph 4. One day, I overheard a student telling a teacher that she didn't have much food at home, and she wasn't looking forward to summer break because she wouldn't eat regularly. I couldn't believe my ears. I had never realized there were kids at my school who didn't have 3 meals a day. I had always taken it for granted that the students I went to school with were eating enough just like me. And if we read a little bit after, it says, everyone was supportive and offered to help me raise money to start the backpack program. Each backpack contained non-perishable items that would not ruin, such as soup and crackers which the kids could eat at home. It sounds like he came up with the idea after hearing that not all of the kids are able to eat at home. This girl right here said she didn't have a lot to eat, and he says here that kids can't eat at home. So let's go back into our answer choices and see if we can find one of those as an answer. The author first got the idea for Paul's Packs. When he saw a homeless man on the side of the road. B, after learning some of the students in his school didn't eat regularly. C, after he presented the idea in front of the school board. Or D, while he was volunteering at a soup kitchen. The author first got the idea for Paul's Packs after hearing that the student didn't have enough meals. It says here, I had always taken it for granted that the students I went to school with were eating enough just like me. I came up with an idea for a backpack program, and this program helps kids to eat at home.